Hi there, students. To hibernate, a verb. Hibernation as the noun, and I guess hibernal as an adjective, but that's more uncommon. Let's see, the basic meaning of to hibernate is an animal that spends all winter dormant, sleeping. So, for example, bears are famous for hibernating during the winter. Yeah, to spend the winter sleeping. So, in late autumn or in autumn, bears eat as much as possible and they get as fat as possible. And then they find a cave or somewhere and then they hibernate all winter. They sleep. They spend winter in hibernation. You might also have seen this on your computer. You can tell your computer to hibernate, to go on standby, and to save power, but without losing what you've got in the memory. So it's like the computer goes to sleep, but you haven't turned it off. Yeah, so you've still got all of the things that you had earlier on the screen. I think sometimes we use this as well informally as a joke. It's ages since I've seen you, Mike. Where have you been? Have you been hibernating? Yeah? Have you been sleeping for a long time? I think we can also use this verb to hibernate, meaning to be inactive for a period of time. So, I don't know, maybe the market seems to hibernate over the Christmas period. Yeah, it's withdrawn. It's very there are very low levels of activity. Yeah. Okay, whenever I was in trouble with my parents, I used to try hibernating in my room. Yeah, just live in seclusion and not come out. Like that, I might avoid the telling off that I was going to get. But normally you got it anyway. So to hibernate, to sleep, to lie dormant, to be inactive. Yeah, but I think principally to hibernate, this is what animals do. So yeah, for example, holiday towns or holiday places, they the whole town or the whole place hibernates, and then when the holiday seasons come around, they're suddenly a hive of activity. Okay, so, and this is the idea of to hibernate. Let's see, if you're using it about an animal or your computer, then I would give it this, I think probably 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. I think if I'm making a joke, I haven't seen John for ages. I think he's probably in hibernation. That is, in hibernation. This I would give 3.5 to 4 in formality. Use that informally. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, hibernatus, from the verb hibernare, which itself comes from hibernus in Latin, meaning winter. Okay, so to hibernate. Yeah. Let's see. There are lots of people who watch this channel. And there are some who make a lot of comments for a while and then they hibernate and then they come back again a few months later. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hibernate, hibernation.